Oh, hi everyone. Today is Noi Kitchen Day. Best day of the week. Today I have a special one pan dinner. I like it because I can put everything in the pan and sit down have my red wine. That's the way you cook dinner. Listen to nerd. Okay, let's start off with the rice. I washed this rice already. I like to use Thai jasmine rice. Just put in a big pan. Now add a little bit garlic. Add a little bit turmeric, make a nice color. Now we pour the chicken stock. Mix it all up. Now we have a good flavor for rice. See how easy? Now we're gonna do the chicken. Now I got chicken pieces here. Leg, side and breast. Just put it in. I'm gonna use one of my favorite sauces, Thai spicy satay. This one our family recipe. We share with you. You can buy this one. We also have a recipe in the website. I don't know about website, but Marion said like that. She always tells the truth. She's a good girl. Okay, check it out. Just mix it all up. Now we're gonna put chicken in with the rice. Just put on top. Everything gonna cook together. If you have extra mayonnaise, just pour on top. You can't waste anything. Listen to Mama Noi. Cover it all up with the foil. Put it on nice and tight. Baking oven for 50 minutes. 50. The time for wine. Oh, I got a red wine today. Where did it come from? Wait for my chicken. Ew. Wow, that's why I wait for the chicken to cook. Oh, where's it go? Something wrong with this glass. Son-in-law, more red wine. Now it's open. Oh, look at that. Oh, the smell is good. Now we're gonna want a little bit more color on the chicken. I'm gonna put back in the oven for 20 minutes. That's time for more wine. I'm just joking. We're gonna make very quick pickle. You want some cucumber? Some shallot? A little bit red chili. And a vinegar? And some sugar? Just mix it up. Oh, look at that. That's very nice. A little tip from Noi, gonna fluff up the rice. Just take a chicken. Oh, can you pass my tongue there? Oh, yeah, sorry. Just take the chicken out first. Now we use the fork to slap the rice. Look at nice crispy meat. Perfect cook. Now I'm gonna put some herb in. I got spring onion and coriander. Then mix it up again. Now I put chicken on top. Sprinkle some of the pickle. Look at the color. And a little bit chopped peanut. Another winner from Noi. Not too hot. Oh, so good. Very tasty. Only one pan. That's why my red wine. I'll do the hard work now.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Cole, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.